Pennsylvania, the scenery is very, very beautiful, especially when you go up Niagara Falls. It's a beautiful state. You will see a lot of beautiful landscape, and it's all about God nature. You know, God built this world very beautiful. You see mountains, you see grass, you see lakes, waterfalls. Bridges, roads, buildings. Speed limit. Lower the speed limit. There is right here the speed camera. Let's hit the brake. This way it won't give us. You gotta slow down right here. That will send you a ticket. Then you gotta pay maybe. Construction sites always have fines, and the fines are double. If the regular ticket speeding is 75, construction area could be 150 or more. Fines are heavy, very heavy in New York, New Jersey. Maryland is okay. DC still have a lot of fines. Be careful when you're traveling to DC, New York, New Jersey. Their tickets are heavy, 250 and above, 200 and above. Maryland is still good.